Welcome to our guide on embracing the California lifestyle in retirement. California offers a unique blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and diverse communities, making it a dream destination for many retirees. Today, we'll explore how to choose the right community that aligns with your retirement goals and lifestyle preferences. The California lifestyle is renowned for its emphasis on health, wellness, and outdoor living. With its mild climate and varied geography, residents can enjoy activities ranging from surfing along the coast to hiking in majestic mountains. The state's cultural diversity further enriches daily life, offering a plethora of culinary experiences, festivals, and artistic expressions. Assessing your retirement priorities. Before selecting a community, it's crucial to assess your personal priorities. Consider factors such as proximity to family, healthcare facilities, recreational activities, and cultural amenities. Understanding what matters most to you will guide your decision-making process. Exploring California's regions. California's vastness encompasses a variety of regions, each offering distinct experiences. Let's delve into some of the top retirement destinations across the state. In Northern California, Napa Valley stands out with its picturesque vineyards and gourmet dining, ideal for those who appreciate a serene wine country ambiance. Meanwhile, Sacramento, the state capital, offers a blend of historic charm and urban amenities, along with a relatively affordable cost of living compared to other major Californian cities. The Central Coast boasts gems like Santa Barbara, known for its Mediterranean climate, beautiful beaches, and vibrant art scene. Further north, San Luis Obispo offers a relaxed atmosphere with a strong sense of community, making it appealing for retirees seeking a slower pace of life. Southern California presents diverse options. San Diego entices with its coastal beauty, outdoor activities, and proximity to top-tier healthcare facilities. Palm Springs is renowned for its resort-like feel, golf courses, and mid-century modern architecture. Los Angeles, a sprawling metropolis, offers unparalleled cultural attractions, dining, and entertainment, though it's essential to consider the higher cost of living and traffic congestion. Retiring in California requires careful financial planning due to the state's high cost of living and housing prices, especially in coastal areas. While California does not tax Social Security benefits, it has a progressive income tax system. Additionally, natural hazards like wildfires and earthquakes can influence insurance costs. Engaging with a financial advisor can help navigate these complexities and ensure a comfortable retirement. Beyond geography and finances, finding a community that aligns with your lifestyle is paramount. Consider factors like walkability, availability of social clubs, recreational facilities, and opportunities for continued learning.